rigging tubes are incorporated into the stringers. 1/2-inch channel aluminum running 12 feet up where all the superstructure bolts into, including the mounts for the fuel tank. Aluminum bracketry is tapped into the aluminum channel that we have inside the stringers. That's Penske board and G10 composite that was laminated to the hull. That's a cord hull, so that's laminated to the inside skin, drilled and tapped. You'll see that we have these lifting eyes threaded into the aluminum that we're able to lift the entire hull up with it.